Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will delve into the details of SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of December, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more in-depth analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Unlock the power of AI and receive free price predictions and comprehensive analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video serves informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.24. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 4.81%. This results in an average return of 0.18% per day since it was categorized as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a narrow and subtly rising trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further upward movement. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 7.54% over the next 3 months, suggesting possible returns ranging from 4.65% to 8.65%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 25.7% over the next year, with potential returns between 17.01% and 26.84%. This translates to a projected price range of $707.15 to $766.58 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for SPY. The SPY ETF price decreased by approximately 0.517% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 12th of December, 2024, dropping from $607.51 to $604.37. During this trading session, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.467%, with a low of $604.34 and a high of $607.16. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 0.93% over the past 2 weeks. The volume of shares traded increased by 2 million shares on the last day, despite the declining prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 26 million shares changed hands for approximately $15.5 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $609.06, while the lowest was $466.43. Currently, the price sits 0.77% or $4.69 below the 52-week high of $609.06, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 has recently displayed a loss of upside momentum after its rally from early November, indicating potential sideways price consolidation. While this suggests a period of indecision among investors, it does not yet signal a market top. In the short term, this consolidation may lead to increased volatility as traders react to recent movements and economic data. Despite this, broader market forecasts indicate that indices, including the S&P 500, remain poised for upward momentum, particularly as the traditional Santa Claus rally approaches. Investor sentiment is cautiously optimistic, reflecting a long-term positive trajectory for major indices. However, recent declines in futures suggest a retracement following record highs in the Nasdaq, with over 100 S&P 500 stocks hitting new monthly lows. This could create a bearish sentiment in the short term as investors reassess positions amidst volatility. Additionally, low historical volatility could be providing a false sense of security, as a calm market can lead to sharp corrections when conditions change. If the market experiences favorable economic data, we could see a rebound in prices, enhancing long-term growth prospects. The interplay of these factors could significantly impact the SPY ETF and the broader market in both the short and longer-term outlook. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 6, 2024, and so far it has fallen by approximately 0.57%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on declining prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Some positive signals have also been observed, and these may influence near-term developments. The SPY ETF is experiencing a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal coming from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this leads to an overall buy signal for the ETF, presenting a positive forecast. Should there be further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $605.93. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $592.86. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands gave a buy signal 23 days ago. Short-term moving average presented a buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a buy 28 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 90 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 570.98 and 568.70. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SPY finds support just below today's level at 570.98. If this support is broken, the next levels of support from accumulated volume will be at 568.70 and 568.25. Generally, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low. During the last day, the fund moved 2.82 between its high and low, which equates to 0.467%. Over the past week, the average daily volatility of the fund has been 0.504%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY stands at $604.60. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $570.98. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $587.06, reflecting a decrease of 2.86%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good investment? Currently, several signals and indicators appear negative, which we believe will impact its performance in the coming days and potentially weeks. Nonetheless, We see today's price level as a possible buying opportunity, anticipating that it will rise during or by the conclusion of this 3-month period. After reviewing the volatility and trading movements from the last session, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, December 13th, we estimate that the SPY will open up by 92 cents and commence trading at $605.29. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.